Well, it's July 5th, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been a while since I've done an update video on the car. I have been working on it, been welding some pipes, some headers, stuff like that. It's a slow process. There's a lot of work to do. Been super busy at work. Time's been scarce. Been distracted with some other stuff, but I have been working on it. I haven't done a video update of any sort, so I'm going to show just a little bit of some of the headers and crossover stuff I've been working on real quick. I got the headers done, and I've got a video on the headers. I haven't got it edited together. It's not a big deal. I got to do a little flange work. I got some flange warpage. I got to address that, but I wanted to get some visual progress because it's going to take a little bit of work to fix that flange. This one's in pretty good shape. It just needs to be flattened on a belt a little bit. But I did want to get some visual progress and get some work done. So I've been working on the tubes that are going to feed into the turbo. And I got a merge built with a T6 flange. Got a fitting there. It's a Motion Raceworks kit. It's for the pressure, the back pressure sensor. Little dampener canister deal for that. I'm gonna probably mount right there, but I've been working on these tubes, getting these feed tubes. I can't complete it and finish it until I get them flanges squared away, but I was able to mount the wastegate. I gotta do a little gusseting on that. I'm gonna weld the inside. I'm gonna, take the gate off here and get inside here with my welding torch and weld this joint inside here. It's pretty easy to do. Just gotta get in there and do it. I got the dump tube made. I'm gonna trim it to length later. So I have been working. This tube, there's gonna be a double slip right here. It's gonna feed into here. Be a bend and a bend there. Probably not an awesome way to feed with all these bends, but space is kind of limited and you just work with what you got. And over here, the same deal. This tube, I can't complete these yet. I gotta wait till I get these flanges situated and get them flattened. But this one's elevated a little bit because I know the gas hose, the feed line is gonna come from the tank somewhere here, so it needs to come above it. So it's got a little space there. The fuel pump is gonna be here somewhere. So this, I just finished welding this joint here. So, and the double slip, this is stainlessheaders.com, their website, stainlessheaders.com. That's their 2.5 inch double slip. There'll be another one right here. The double slips are cool. They're nice to work with, make stuff pretty easy, let stuff expand and contract and move around a little bit, which is good. So as far as this goes, I'm gonna leave this space, that chunk right there, just like it is until I get the flange situated. And then I can come back and finish joining these two, and I can finish getting this piece here situated. And then the hot side. Oh, and I gotta put the darn wastegate in here too. And it'll be pretty easy to mount it right here. It'll be a good direct shot into the gate, just like that one is. It's a direct shot right into that gate. So the other gate over here it'll be like right here, right in this area right there. Imagine that. Use your imagination. It's right there. So that'll be easy. That stuff's pretty fun to do. That's about it. I just want to do a quick update. There's nothing different on the inside. I haven't been in here and worked for a while. It looks like something blew up in there, so just ignore that. We'll go back out here where stuff's cool. That's it. I've just been working on tubes, welding stainless, and trying to make some progress when I can. So the next thing we're doing is so this is July 5th. July 7th on Tuesday, this is Sunday, so on Tuesday is when we leave to go to Florida to meet with Doug with Motion Raceworks and pick up the Motion Raceworks truck and trailer giveaway that I won. So there's gonna be pictures and videos. That'll probably be the next thing that comes out. That's why I wanted to do this car video now, because the car is gonna get ignored for just a little bit. We're gonna take the rest of the week, go down there, take care of that deal with that truck and Doug and everything, and do some sightseeing and goof around a little bit in Florida while we're there. It's gonna be fun. Probably pretty hot, but it's July and it's hot everywhere. So that's it. The next video stuff that I put out will be something to do with the Motion truck giveaway. So we'll try to do a good job on videos and pictures of that. So that's where we're at. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.